Hello everyone, today we'll be speaking about our business simulation game for our module MN5006, serving customers in global marketing. My group is myself, Richard, Rexford and Omar. We'll be speaking about our decisions that we had to make for our business, the results in our contribution to our targets. We will also conclude by evaluating our success and what we should have done better. We are Sports Stars, which is a small firm headquartered out in East London. This company, before we took over, only existed for 2 years, and we have been in operations for 5 years since then. Our company sells 4 different types of products, which are surfboards, skis, foils, and bicycles. These are the results that we had started with from the beginning of the business venture. As you can see, that we had £489,150,000 in total liabilities for group equity in period 1. For period 2, we had a pretty good result to start off our basis for our next few periods, which finalized our results before we took over for the company for period 2. Our financial results for period 2 gave us the basis for our aims and essential strategies and in our general plans. Our aims and objectives and plans was to reduce operational costs, creating an ideal customer base, using marketing strategy to increase our marketing share. We also wanted to establish our brand residence.
Period 3 allowed us to start working and begin changes that we wanted for the company and our plans and aims, including our mission statement, which became our business is aiming to provide customers with affordable prices, but also making sure the quality is better than the industry standard, meaning the product will last for multiple years and we can guarantee it is a one-time buy product, as they can be reused year after year. We also improved our net profit in this period by over 10,000. You can see this in the table above. We believe this is due to the pricing strategy that we adopted. Our challenges in this period were shown in the bottom right, as we had a weak market share in the surfboards market. In period 4, we used our scorecard as our key indicator as to what changes we should make. As you can see, our profit growth was poor, as well as our customer market share. Our research then showed us that we had the highest prices in most markets we were involved in. This led us to then lower our price in order to be more competitive amongst our industry.
In period 5, due to understanding on how to order efficiently on the game, we do not have enough products in stock to meet our demands, as in some cases our demands were 45 times higher than our supply. This meant that we did not have any revenue coming in the business at all compared to our competitors. Our mistakes affected our profit growth, cash flow, income statement, and also scorecard from increasing and improving. As you can see from our income statement in period 4, our net profit was £30,862, which could have been used to invest in our business, such as purchasing marketing strategies and also employing a better skilled manager to take the business to a better level. But however, in period 5, we had a loss of £59,648, which is very disappointing, as it had a knock-on effect on period 6 and 7. One of the reasons why our net profit decreased drastically was because, yet again, our demand did not meet our supply. So therefore, we do not have enough product in stock to sell to our consumers to gain a profit.
Period 6 and 7 have been summarized together due to the similar results. Our results were ruined by our earlier demand and supply issue, which was yet to be identified. However, the unsold inventory above is assigned to the possible profits we could have made as a firm.
We faced multiple challenges, and one of these challenges were the demand and supply error as it lasted throughout the simulation. The other challenge we faced was the pricing strategy, as we did not have consistent pricing to meet our supplier to gain a profit out of it.
We have multiple solutions and recommendations for the company. The first solution is to avoid the earlier mistake we caused with demand and supply. We believe this would have multiple changes and effects on our results. One of these is that the profit would be much higher. We can know this from the sign of unsold inventory being zero with a high demand. We also know that we'd have a general better understanding of consumers and what their needs are. Our second solution is to adapt pricing strategy in the fourth period and stick with it after receiving information. This will only have a few but significant impacts on the results. One of the impacts that it would have is that our brand would be stronger as customers are confident in our price. As a group, we would have to pay more attention to the financial statements as they could prevent some of the mistakes we made earlier on in the simulation. To conclude, as a group, we are confident that given what we know now, if we were to stay in control, we could re-establish ourselves with a significantly improved market share in all markets we operate in. We believe this for multiple reasons. Some of the reasons being the financial statements we have from the